Just came from the card store. Early release on the Hobbit here. Got the draft night pack. We got the collector booster for the Hobbit. Gonna pop this bad boy open. Holy smokes. They don't make them easy. You know, it's hard to get into because they have all the good cards in here. It's really holding the pack together. That's what I think it is. Okay, back we got the human soldier, and I think it's going to be on an adventure, right? Oh, no, it's the Goblin Army. Okay. I'm with it. Got Bilbo Baggins. Can't go wrong with that guy. Mirkwood Nurturer. These foils look so nice. Like that one, just like the whole background, and yeah, I don't know. And this one too. Moment of Glory. Revenant Howl. Iron Hills. Not a fan of pulling the lands here, because it's just kind of like not even a crazy land. You got Glow in the Mighty. You know what? This guy has a foil. I'll take it. Gollum. Nice. Halfling Horror. Gollum can't block. That's interesting. Bjorn's Hospitality. This guy does not like dwarves. Oh, that looks nice. He's an ugly looking goblin though. Oh no, that one's nice. I like that one. Of the Shire. That one's really nice. My Precious. Let's go. That's the foil of it. Foil Rare Precious. You got Rare Instant underneath. Settle the Wreckage. You can see a little piece of Smaug. It's kind of baiting me here. I feel like I might end up pulling him, surely, right? Settle the Wreckage is the same card. It's the same card. That's crazy. Well, now I have a foil of it and just the borderless. Okay. Rare underneath. You jeweled war. Did I get snubbed here? Is there one more card? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That kind of looks like a Surge foil. Holy shit. Is it a Surge foil? I think it is. I see down here, right? No. Bummer. Still cool. I'll take it. It's cool nonetheless. Did get you baited, totally. 2 cards the exact same with a warg, and then I pull this one. Yeah, it is what it is.